What's good, boos? It's Sheen, boo, and you already know. Oh, you know who it is. It's Sheen, boo. Y'all, these braids are way past due for takedown. I cut the first one. My son's down here. He's trying to touch the tripod. We're taking these braids out. We're gonna wash our hair with some melanin hair care. Yeah, these braids I got put in, I want to say 2 months ago. Here's baby Dexy. If you want to see more of my son, he actually has his own channel. It's called Baby Dexy, BABIDEXI. Good job, baby. Excuse me, but yeah, if you want to see, yes. Anytime I'm doing anything that doesn't involve him, he wants to be all in my skin. And he's probably going to sit right here with us. So yeah, I'm not going to really be able to talk to y'all. So just enjoy me taking my hair down and washing my hair. I'll come back and show y'all what my hair looks like after I get done taking out. It should have grown. Hopefully it has, but I will be back. I have to turn on Miss Rachel for him because he's not going to let me talk. All right, y'all, this is the Salon braid removal tool. It helps you take out your hair pretty fast. You can use the pointed end or the thick end. I have a whole video on my channel from years ago that shows you how to like use this or whatever. Yes, you can use the rat tail comb, but I prefer this and I think it's quicker. So shout out to Melanin Hair Care. Look at these t-shirts that they have. They are so absolutely pretty and comfortable. You can get a regular t-shirt or a racer back. And this is the options that they have. These are the two that they sent me. This t-shirt, the t-shirts do run a little big. This is a medium. I feel like it fits like a large. So this is what the front looks like. And this is what the back of the shirt looks like. So these are definitely going to be good wash day t-shirts, good gym t-shirts. You can wear them out too if you want, because they are cute and they're comfortable. But the racer back looks the same as the t-shirt. Now my back hurt and I'm so tired. He's still up watching Miss Rachel. As long as I'm awake, he's going to be awake. He's tearing up the room. Taking the covers off the bed. Taking the books off the shelf. Give me good. Thank you. Look at him, y'all. This is just what it's going to be. But I'm definitely going to need a trim. But I feel like I'm still going to have some inches. Normally, this is the time of the year I will get my hair pressed out. And it'll last for a good day and a half. And then I'll just, you know, rock it in the fro after the press wears off. Until I can get it braided. But this is how much, I don't know what it's looking like back here, but this is how much, hopefully I'm in the frame. All right, I just got out the shower and never again. It literally took me 6 hours to take my hair down. You could probably cut off about an hour because I was sitting up here chasing the baby and the baby wouldn't let me get done. I just got out the shower. I can't really give y'all a limb check because my hair was shrinking. My hair was shrinking already as I was taking it out, and then it's wet as well because I got in the shower as soon as I got done, so I can't really give y'all a limb check. This is the best that I could do. That was the back. This is the front, back, side. It's looking pretty even, but I need a trim. I'm going to bed. good, chat. Oh, she got some inches. Body yada 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 yada.
$1,000 prize.